Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. So today's topic is what secret they are hiding from you. It's a pick a pile reading, so you have to choose one pile, whichever you are attracted towards. So let's see what secret they are hiding from pile number 1. It's a blue pile. Who choose blue pile? It's a pile number 1. So what secrets they are hiding from you? So pile number 1, they want to give some kind of justice. They want to do some kind of justice towards you, so they are hiding the truth that they have to give that justice to you. So very soon they are planning to give that justice to whatever, whether you are in a relationship or a situationship or friendship. If they did something wrong to you in past, so they want to correct it. They want to do justice towards your relationship and towards your friendship. So this is what they are hiding from you. Let's see pile number 2. Who choose red pile? What is they are hiding from you? What they are hiding from you? Pile number 2, they are hiding that they have to make choices. They have choices in their life and they have to choose one of that choices. So they are hiding that secret that they have to make the choices. Don't know whether it is in relationship or their career, about relationship or career, about you or someone else, but they are hiding from you. Let's move on to pile number 3. Who chose yellow pile? What secret they are hiding from you? So they are pile number 3. They are hiding that they are obsessed with you. They are addicted to you, or they have any addictions. They are hiding their addictions from you. Whether they are your addiction or they have some addictions regarding their behavior, they are hiding the truth that they have some addictions. So be aware, they are having some addictions. So this is what they are hiding from you. So pile number 4, who chose the green pile? What secret they are hiding from you? So pile number 4, something is ended in their life, or they want to end something in their life which they are hiding from you. They are keeping it as a secret. Actually they are hiding, or maybe it is not necessary to tell you. I think they are hiding this thing that they are gonna end something in their life, or ended something in their life. So this is what they are hiding. Let's move on to pile number 5. Who choose white pile? What they are hiding from you? Pile number 5, they are hiding that they want to make the balance in your relationship, or they want to make the balance or create that balance. Maybe you don't have balance in your relationship or situationship or friendship. So they want to create that balance in between you both. Whether in your someone is giving more and someone is giving less. So they want to keep it in a balanced way. They are thinking about that. This is what they are hiding. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe.